In your bindery, what matters most? Speed? Changeover time? Ease of use? Flexibility? How do you decide? Now you don't have to choose. GBC is proud to introduce the Quantum P70iX, the industry's first fully programmable digital production punch. This revolutionary nearline punch is designed to meet the demanding needs of today's short-run, quick changeover and print-on-demand environment. It is a stack processor built to accept the stacks of paper that are managed in today's print market. Quantum P70iX setup can usually be completed in less than 5 minutes. The entire setup takes place at an easy-to-read graphical user interface. Just program the paper size, lift thickness, and punch speed. The Quantum P70iX is ready to go. With a top speed of 72,000 sheets per hour, the ability to handle paper sizes from 5.5 by 5.5 inches to 9 by 12 inches, and stocks up to 300 GSM, or grams per square meter, the Quantum P70iX is truly a product for the on-demand environment. In addition, punching documents with index tabs is a feature of the Quantum P70iX that doesn't require any extra parts. And punching intermixed stocks is not a problem either. The Quantum P70iX features up to 20 custom job storage locations, so you can save the settings for jobs you run regularly. The Quantum P70iX has been designed to be an on-demand production punch. A new operator can be trained to set up a job for the Quantum P70iX in just a few minutes, using the intuitive graphical user interface. Setup begins at the home screen, where the operator can see the status of the machine, the current programmed paper size, lift size, and punching speed, and what die set is currently installed. To program the Quantum P70iX for a new job, switch to the setup screen to change paper size and adjust the die set if desired. You can also change the language in which the user interface communicates, such as English, French, German, or Spanish, at the touch of a button, as well as change the unit of measure from metric to inches. Lift thickness and punch speed can be changed in the home state while the machine is running. If you run the same job over and over again, you can save these settings as a custom job and simply recall it from memory in the future. To change a die set, simply select Unclamp Die Set from the home screen and slide the die set out. The Quantum P70iX has a unique barcode system. When you slide the new die into place, the barcode reader automatically identifies the die. Select Clamp Die Set at the user interface, and the die automatically aligns for centering the punch on the paper. Once the punch clamps the die set, it will not drift and cannot be accidentally removed. You've seen that the Quantum P70iX is easy to set up and use. It is also incredibly flexible. For the first time, you can choose from up to 15 different die patterns that are compatible with 2 different machines. GBC has designed the Quantum P70iX dies to work in 2 punches, the GBC Magna Punch Desktop Production Punch and the new Quantum P70iX. This means you no longer have to have individual dies for every punch you own. Now that your job is set up and the correct die is in place, it is ready to be punched. The Quantum P70iX increases productivity because loading and unloading stacks of paper is not only simple, but can be done while a job is running. To assure straight alignment of paper feeding into the Quantum P70iX, there is a convenient wall against which to build the stack. Loading paper requires minimal bending due to the ergonomic height placement of the stackboard interface. After the paper is loaded, the beltivator moves the stack into the Quantum P70iX and the feeder door closes. The feeder door will not close if there are any materials in the way, nor will the Quantum P70iX begin running until the door is closed. Now that the paper stack is in the Quantum P70iX, the paper is lifted to the pick area. This is where the Quantum P70iX picks a lift of paper and transports it to the punch. As lifts of paper are picked, the feeder elevator moves up incrementally for optimal productivity. Then the paper is aligned in the die throat and squared up against the back of the throat for accurate alignment. The lift is then punched. As the pins move up, the lift moves sideways over an inverting drum, which allows the lift to be placed on the already punched stack upside down without ever losing touch with the paper until it is safely stacked. This feature ensures that your documents remain correctly paginated. Once the stack is completely punched, it can be set to eject automatically or manually. This stack process is what gives the operators the independence necessary to operate other jobs while punching occurs. The Quantum P70iX runs completely at the operator's convenience. Consider what can be done while 3,750 sheets of paper in a 15-inch stack are being punched. Not only can additional jobs be staged while another is running, but the operator can also run the print engine, cutter, or even a binder simultaneously. This eliminates the need for a dedicated punch operator. GBC has designed the Quantum P70iX with your safety in mind. It is a closed system and will not operate if either door is open. All punching is done inside, which prevents user accidents. The Quantum P70iX is a fully digital near-line punch manufactured with the print-on-demand market in mind. The construction of the Quantum P70iX follows GBC's reputation of providing unbeatable durability and long life. Greater durability equates to fewer breakdowns and significantly improved reliability. In the unlikely event that a problem does occur, you can count on GBC's network of highly trained technicians to get your system back up and running quickly. In addition, our commitment to safety has led us to obtain safety agency approval from the world's leading safety agencies, CSA, TÜV, and UL. The Quantum P70iX is proudly made in America. We just made the choice easy for you. 72,000 sheets an hour, fully programmable digital user interface, interchangeable die sets, and custom job presets. What more could you ask for in a near-line programmable digital punch? The Quantum P70iX from GBC. Take your punching digital.